Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. And I made a video on this earlier today in using the boundary tool. And somebody said they have an old version of Corel that doesn't have the boundary tool. I don't really know when the boundary tool started, but in this particular case, you don't need the boundary tool. If you will take a rectangle, use the Smart Fill tool, which I would think every version has, and fill that in, and then move the Smart Fill out of the way, and left click, right click, go up to Object and break the curve apart and get rid of the outer line. Then you have that shape of the cat's head. Now, just like in the previous video, you need to clean it up. And the person I was helping, just to let you know, she was going to cut out the inside and outside. So we're going to make it a 1/4 inch thick, and then go to Object and convert the outline to an object. And then when you do that, you can left click, right click, and you have two hairlines. Of course, there's a lot of junk in this, so you would need to clean it up first. Anyway, so that's if you don't have the boundary tool. I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.